Orient Express mixed spice. For this you will need 15 grams of nutmeg, that's about 4 nutmegs, 15 grams of allspice, 7 grams of cinnamon bark, 7 grams of whole cloves, that's cloves, yes, not cloves, 7 grams of a dried ginger or dried ginger root, a coffee grinder, a jar to put them in, and a funnel to put it in the jar. Put your nutmegs in the grinder. Once your nutmeg has been ground, add the allspice. And grind a little bit more. Then add your cinnamon bark. And continue grinding. When it stops making the dreadful noise, you'll know it's done. Nice and fine. Now add your cloves. And grind until it doesn't make a noise. Finally, add the ginger. Quite strong. And grind until you have a fine powder. And there you have it, mixed spice for all those who can't buy it in the stores. Put it in an airtight container and use within a month. Lovely jar of mixed spice, that should keep you going for a while. Label with the dates and store in a cool place. Airtight jar.